The Doyton EM20 Planetary Mixer is a stainless steel appliance for general kitchen use. Its gear-driven motor comes equipped with a timer and 3 different speeds running at the highest horsepower in its category. Although powerful, the EM20 operates quietly and has user-friendly controls so you can place it anywhere. Safety features include emergency stop button, a safety guard with easy-to-feed detachable ingredient chute, and it's thermally protected to prevent overheating. It also comes standard with one set of easy-to-clean, all stainless steel accessories, including a bowl, flat beater, whip, dough hook, and manual bowl lift. You can make an assortment of products such as cookie dough, brownie batter, meatloaf, mashed potatoes, sauces, icing, whipped cream, meringue, and more. In addition to the EM20 with a 20-pound dough capacity, we also have a larger EM30 capable of mixing up to 30 pounds of dough. To expand its capabilities, please consider your options in hub attachments such as the meat grinder, the slicer shredder, bowl dolly, and the equipment stand. For more information about this and other Doyton products, please visit our website.